I think some of it was poor angles. I mean, like in the pocket, we'd attack the low shoulder of the quarterback instead of the high shoulder. Sometimes he'd spin out over the top, which is very correctable. A lot of little things. Just making sure angles and pursue when you go right at a guy instead of staying out wide to help close down. But we'll continue to work on all those things. But very proud in all three phases, and great to get a win and get out of there. I thought he played well. There was one or two things I thought he tried to get a little aggressive with. You know what I'm saying? But I would rather say whoa than giddy up. I like the aggression. I like the going at it. Thought he kept his poise in the game. Every time he came to the sideline, he was articulating what was going on in the game, what he saw, hey, we could do this, we can do that. I mean, he even got his ideas. But thought he played a very solid football game. And I think because if you feel more comfortable putting them in, the knowledge of what they do and the consistency and the techniques and assignments and things they do, because ability is never the issue. It's just about technique, assignments, and then just getting the playing time to relax on the field and do what you're doing, taking it from the practice field to the game field, and you see that more and more. You feel much more comfortable, and you keep getting them reps and keep developing. We're going to keep developing all those guys. I don't think it's from starting slow or not being prepared. I think sometimes trying too hard, just relaxing and trusting in the game, getting in the flow of the game early. But they have got some first downs and moved the ball, and then, of course, we scored. But it's got to settle in, and hopefully we'll get better and better at that as the season goes on and get those 3 and outs, or not give up a first down and win the field position more. You move on to the conference play against Boston College, who I think is going to be an outstanding team. They got a week off to prepare well. Steve does a great job coaching. They offense, defense. They're very physical on offense. Very good offensive line, probably the best one we've seen so far, one of the best ones. Back, Andre Williams is over 100 yards a game, very physical, big, 230-pound guy, breaks tackles, strong. The receiver Alex Minion has done a great job making explosive plays for him, very quick, very good change of direction. And Reddick is a very good quarterback, so they have a very nice team. And they'll bunch you up to run too now. They'll bunch you up and empower you and then bounce that ball outside and do the things they got to do. So tackling is going to be critical. Being physical is going to be critical. You got to control the lines of scrimmage. Very critical.